Hi, my name is Tiago. I'm from Brazil. I have been living here in United States for a few years, and I got laid off during the pandemic. Uh, I was so when I start to know like to study for Salesforce, and I met Bradley on YouTube. I I saw his channel, and I started to get into the Salesforce world. It's been very helpful for me, you know. The first time I've heard about the program was in Bradley's YouTube channel. I used to watch, you know, like his channel, and he had a lot of tips. He had a lot of uh, he had a lot of knowledge about and experience about the Salesforce. And first of all, like when you look at you know, like these programs, you try first of all you try to understand, okay, why this guy is doing this. He could be like working a lot and making more money and everything, you know, like but when you know his videos, the way he talk, and and you see he's a true person, you know, like you see like he's not one of the salesperson, you know, like selling, you know, like things that not gonna work for you. If you watch his videos on YouTube, you can have the same perspective as I had. I In my case, I don't know how you are right now, if you are very good financially or struggling, but during the pandemic I was struggling. And for me, like the higher problem was the cost. I was thinking, you know, like okay, and I asked my wife, you know, to think with me, okay, there's a big investment for me, you know, like it's a big investment, we should do or not, you know, like and I told her like, oh no, like I tried, you know, like to hang around, you know, like and do by myself everything, you know, like but was everything, you know, like harder and everything, and there is a time, you know, like but I thought like okay, like I need a support, I need uh, I need a help, you know, like this program is what I'm looking for, and I got my credit card, you know, like and I passed, you know, like and yeah, was the best purchase I've made, you know, like that will impact it's impacting my life, you know, like my first impression, you know, like for the program is I'm sure like you are watching like you had before you have bought, you know, like any shit, you know, like in the internet or any class or anything, like you think like okay, I'm gonna bought this, you know, like I got the video classes, I'm gonna study, and you have expectations, you know, like that a good customer service, that a good one-on-one, you know, like relationship, but you never had. That this is the truth, you know, like you never had. You bought a lot of things, you know, like and they promises, you know, like everything to you, and they do. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm gonna guide you. I'm gonna teach you this. I'm gonna teach you that. You know, like and you don't know the guy. You're never gonna talk with the guy. You're never gonna make a question and the guy will answer to you. Like it's completely different. This program is different. It's like is 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 made from human beings, you know, like you are there, you are always Bradley is always available, you know, like you make him a question, he answer you. Like it's not that thing. Oh, okay, like you make a question. Okay, send the email to this email here. Like in 3 days, 4 days, we're gonna answer your question. Like it's not like that. It's a personal experience. Like it's a uh, you are in contact with human being. Like and you see the others, like in a different levels, like in the group. You see the other people in the you're gonna see people like with never had a background in IT, people with some background. You're gonna see people better than you in a certain stage, in a stage ahead than you. You're gonna see people like that is a stage behind you. But and when you see this multi level people, like you see like, oh, okay, I can do it. So, oh, I want to be a Salesforce administrator. Oh, okay, nice. So what you need? Oh, is just make the certification? Of course it's not. So the program will make this like a tangible. You know what I mean? Like we'll make this like, oh, okay, you need to do this and this week, this and this week, this and this week. Like you are guiding, like a kid to cross the street. Like, okay, you need to wait the green light. Like take my hand, we go together, like a step by step. The program is very efficient, like to make the dream become reality. Like you set up goals, and you make everything tangible. I used all the techniques in the program. I tell you, like I wouldn't I got many interviews before I get hired. I've made so many interviews, more than 10 at least. Like and I tell some of the interviews I wouldn't get. I would by myself, I wouldn't get these interviews. I got interviews because of this. The program will not make the goal for you, but will put you in front of the goal. Like you just need to make the goal. Like it's your responsibility to make the goal, but the program will make, like everything possible, so you be in front of the goal. I joined the program on October 31st. Today is December 2nd. you know uh and I already got my job. I'm here. I spend this time completely immersed, like immersed in the program. And I believe, like if you are diligent person, if you have focus, if you have force, and if you have faith in God, like and go ahead, you can do it too. I'm not better than anyone. I don't know what is your position on the life right now. Like if you are struggling, uh, if you are very good financially right now. But this is one thing, like I should got earlier. Because any penny, like I know is a big amount. Like for some people, for some other people is not. It's but. Any penny I paid, like worth any penny, like I had a return. And when I think like, oh, okay, like in 6 months and 1 year, in 2 years, I'm going to make 120, 150, or like, and it, yeah, it's a new life. It's a completely new life. Is a turning point of your life. If you think like this, if you believe you want to be in a Salesforce career, and you want to change your life and the life of your beloved, like, and but definitely go ahead. I tell you, like, if you ask me, oh no, like, I can do by myself everything. Of, of course, maybe you can do by yourself everything, but when you get a mentor, like, to take you through the path and show you the details, like, you know what I mean, like, the details of everything, like, and okay, like, you need to change this word, you need to add this phrase, like, until the minimum details, like, that makes you, like, have your back, like, and helping you and everything. If you want to this kind of success, uh, go ahead, sign to the program, like, and I'm sure you not regret.